Let's understand this clearly. We need to be different in order to make a difference. And the only way where you can make a difference is to build your personal brand. Today, we are looking at human connection, how people connect with people, how we can build our own business, how we can grow our own business by communicating with people. And personal branding would help you in that. Hi, I'm Dia Asrani and I'm a personal branding coach, and if you really like what you see and you want to know more about personal branding and all things related to building your online presence, then do subscribe to my channel for many more videos that I put out there every other week. So in this video, I will be talking about what exactly is personal branding, which is a lot of people keep asking me, and why should we care? Now, if you're an entrepreneur, trainer or a coach and you're looking to grow your presence online, okay, you want to stand out in the industry, you want people to choose you over the others, then personal branding makes sense. This video is very, very important. Okay, now who needs personal branding? Everyone. Okay, whether you are in corporate, whether you are a business owner, whether you're working under somebody, whether you're your own boss, whether, I don't know, maybe I'll repeat it again and again, but personal branding is for everyone around you. If you look at the person in front of you, he needs personal branding. If you look at yourself in the mirror, you need personal branding. It's literally the need of the hour to grow your business and to grow your presence in the industry. Okay, so let's hop into understand what exactly is this concept. It is a holistic, blend of your stories, your knowledge, your skills, every aspect of what you do, okay, your existence literally in the industry. If you put it all together and package it in a really beautiful way, that is your personal brand. Now, a lot of people have the fear that, okay, I am doing the same thing what the other people are doing. What personal branding does, it makes you stand out even though you're doing the same thing, okay? So that's the difference. So when you have a personal brand, when you have it's literally like showing people that, look, I am this way, this is my identity, this is how I will authentically put my point across, okay? That is your personal brand. The way you talk about your topic, the way you put out content, the way you express yourself in videos or in blog posts, the way you have a personality in your images, how you kind of put every aspect of your presence together is your personal brand. Okay? And it is really important in today's world, especially when when times are changing. You need to understand that human connection plays a huge role when it comes to making your business grow. Okay, so if you really want to make more money, you want to have better connections with people in your business, you want to have a better team, then you have to have a good personal brand that will make people choose you over the others. You want to be the leader in your industry? That's a question I need to ask you. Then what is the one answer? Your personal brand. Make a difference by being different. Okay. Now, why should you really care of building a real personal brand, right? Why should you build a presence? Why is it so important, right? Now, here's the first thing. As I said in between, is human connection. Now, when it comes to human connection, you have to understand that people don't relate to companies, okay, or your background. People relate to you. So right now, when you're watching this video, you're relating with me. If you're really continuing to watch this video, then there's some kind of thing that you resonate with, right? You've understood the power of personal branding in barely few minutes. Now, you need to understand that if I had actually put a picture of my logo, or if I had put, a picture of my office and I was talking behind the scenes, you wouldn't have understood anything. Or maybe you would have even lost interest. But when it's a human connection, when I am connecting with you through a video, that is my personal branding talking to you. Now you will also look at the same thing. When you look at booking a coach or a mentor or going for a training or seeing the speaker, what is it that you check? Do you check the brand or you check the personal brand? Do you check the name of the company or do you check the person behind? Do you check things like, okay, now if, say for example, if we see Gary Vaynerchuk or we see Tony Robbins, will you go and look at their company or you look at the person as is? So you have to see that the person, that connect, is what is very important in your industry. So whether you are behind the scenes or you are somebody who wants to be the face of your brand, you have to build your personal brand, and that is why you should care so much. Okay. The second thing is unique positioning. Now, unique positioning is not only about what kind of product or service you can give. Unique positioning is also how you interpret the entire industry. How do you change the way the topic should be? Now, personal branding has many definitions, but I have put it in my own unique flavor, right? That is unique positioning. How do you build a strategy to actually achieve a result? That is unique positioning. Okay, so your unique positioning is how you really position yourself as a leader in front of people, where people will choose you and they will understand that this is how you work. Now, doesn't mean because you have a good unique positioning, everybody will come to you. Okay, if that comes, then dream come true. But the whole fact is that you have to understand that everyone's got a unique positioning in the industry. So you can be different from the others by telling your story and by coming up with something that is like literally you have created an idea around the entire concept. Okay, so keep that in mind when it comes to your unique positioning. The third thing is strong trust building. Now, when it comes to so many businesses going online, many people trying to make money, many people trying to solve problems for people, right? How are they going to build trust in you if they don't know you? Now, if you don't have any content online, okay, you have not put a single video, okay, you might not be a person who's a type who will go online and make a difference. Probably you are offline and you work differently. Fair enough. But if you're not influencing people, if you're not telling people about what you do, how are you going to expect them to trust you in the industry? How would you expect them to choose you over the others? So, social proof, how you talk about certain things, how transparent are you in how you share your story or how you share whatever you have to share, that is what plays a huge role in how your personal brand can be a game changer in building trust in your audience. Okay? Makes sense? I'm sure it should, because that is very, very important. It's really crucial. If you really want to grow that business, you have to learn to build that trust factor in your brand. Okay? Then, other thing which I would like to talk about is higher chance of being chosen over your competition. Now, when it comes to this, okay, it is definitely so that your personal brand is what will actually be a decision maker for people to come to you, okay, like choose you over your competition. So if you really believe in the fact that okay, you are very good at what you do, you might be outstanding at what you do, okay, but what is it that would actually make you the person who they will choose and not the others? Okay, so that comes down to your human connection, your unique positioning, how much trust have you built, how much content have you shared, how transparent you are. Okay, your personal brand plays a role in that. Then it is your unique way of showcasing what you are good at. Okay, so you might be doing same thing like what everyone's doing. Nowadays the trend is digital marketing. Everyone wants to go online and learn digital and then master it and then teach it to others, right? That's the standard thing. And what I've also noticed is a lot of people are doing very similar things. But what can you do differently that they cannot do? Okay, it could be something on the lines of how do you approach a certain topic, how do you teach a certain skill, how do you master a certain skill, what kind of hacks have you worked with. That is what will be different from the others. But how do you know that you are different? You need to do your research. You need to see similar people in your industry, what are they doing that you can do differently. Okay, do not copy what other people are doing. Yes, the skills might be the same, the concept might be the same, but you can do it differently by adding your flavor and your experience in it. Okay, then finally, consistency in growth of your business. Okay, now this is a very important thing when it comes to personal branding. Personal branding is a strategy to build consistency. Now, if you don't build consistency in the growth of your business will always have a very weird or very up and down kind of timeline or any kind of a journey that would actually grow your business, right? So you have to understand that you have to move steadily in the growth of your business. It's not about going fast, it's about being steady. Okay, so slow and steady always wins the race. So yeah, I just cracked a joke like that, but okay, fine. But the point is that you need to take things forward in your business slow and steady, and you need to build your personal brand in a more unique way. And that's the best way to stand out in your industry and be different to make a difference. Okay, so if you really like this video and you really want to know more about personal branding, building your online presence, then do subscribe to my channel, do like this video, share your comments below, and let's see what do you think what the real concept of personal branding is. I would love to see your answers and reply to you on the same. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.